Hi people, it's Nettie again. Okay, I want to show you this. Do you know what this is? It's a plantain, a baby plantain. I took it out from over there. I'm gonna try and grow it over here. I hope it doesn't die. Usually when they at the in the first beginning they like this, they get like they don't look like too good. But as they start rooting and how you call it and growing, they get better. This is made with compost, and I'm going to show you the compost in a few minutes, but I want to show you this first. So I'm going to go real fast. Okay, yeah, right. Okay, so here we have the peppers that I planted from seeds. Look how big they're growing. I'm going to have to start separating them because they're getting big. I almost lost this plant and this plant because I had and like a canister like this under it. The water was holding under there, the leftover water, and they don't like too much water, so it started to get problems. So what I did was I took it out, let it, when I water it, it just goes straight to down there, and it waters the other plant down there. What I got down there, ha ha ha! I put my plant here, my eggplant. I think it's gonna do pretty good because I'm not gonna let it grow too big, but I will try to take the fruits. I hope the fruits grow big, but it likes it there, so that's pretty cool. Here I have to plant basil again. Yep, I hope I got some, but I think I had some because my son, I was gonna send him, then he didn't want it. He just wanted corianders, the culantros. So, excuse me, I'm sorry about my throat. Every summer's the same thing. But either way, I put him away. I have to find him to see if I can find him. Here I have the dead one because, how you call it, papaya fell on top of it, and it was still small. It wasn't that strong still. And what happened was it killed it. I hadn't gone outside for a while because we were waiting for the storm. I had to make sure I had plenty of water, plenty of food, batteries, a flashlight, all that stuff that you need for a hurricane. And since here the light rains a little bit and the light goes off, so I want to be super secure that I had enough of everything. And here, I don't know what this is, but I must have planted because it came out all over the place. But I was able to save these. I started throwing them out. I thought it was just something from outside. But I have planted cactus, Christmas cactus, I think is what they call it. And I don't know if this is it because I thought it was this, but I said no, that don't look nothing like it. But then I came over here and I saw that this could be because it's like a long, as you see, it's a long leaf, and maybe from there I see the seed. This one still has the seed stuck, you know. So okay, I took it out. But I call it. I'm gonna see what it is. Let it be there, and then I'll see what I do. Okay, over here I have this covered because the ones I had in the corner, they ate it. The lizards ate it all, and look at this. This one is eating all over the place. So I'm trying to save whatever I got here, you know. And I could take this off and take it on. So if I need to fix anything, it will be no problem. But I decided to cover it. This was from the icy things, you buy, you freeze it and you eat it. Yeah, icy pops, one of those icy pops. But it came 36 of them, so the nest was kind of big, and you could still stretch some more. So I did put this, and it worked pretty good because none of them gotten eaten or pulled or try to take it out or anything. So that's pretty good. Also, I transplanted this. Look how good. I thought it was gonna like wilter or anything, but look at them. They got their leaves sticking up. Like they like it. Like they enjoying that extra space they got. You know, so that's cool. I also got my tomatoes here. They growing good too. Okay, I had planted this. I put it with the canister with the pot, but then I said no. I don't think I should put it with the pot. Thank God that I decided to change it because if you see over here, it didn't have no more space for the roots. So now it got plenty of space all around, and hopefully it'll give me more how you call it, more fruits. The problem that I had was that I didn't want it to kill the flowers, and as you can see, some of them did come out. I think it was like 4 or 5 flowers that were supposed to become how you call it, fruits. But I'm not too worried because it has 3 over here. We don't have much bees. It's very rarely you see a bee around. So I'm trying to do it with my finger, very lightly hit it around. I did these 3. And see if you can see this one, and this one. So when this one that is starting to want to, spread out, when it gets real open, then I'll do her too. And hopefully that would make the fruit grow. I haven't never planted this plant. I never had messed around with this plant, so I don't know. So anyway, I'll see what happens with that. So let's go to the compost. By the way, I want to show you this. Look how long this leaf is. Oh my gosh, look at it. It is long. And this plant is 1 year old, or gonna be 1 year old. I think in September. I think it'll be 1 year old. So imagine 1 year old. Look how beautiful it looks and how big it is. I can't wait for 3 months when they're supposed to fruit. Okay, this is my compost. This is the first one I did. I put some more extra there, but I'm trying to put a couple of this in this side because how you call it? It's too heavy. It's like compacted down. I can't carry this thing. This thing is heavy, man. Well, you know me. I'm a weakie. Since I got my how you call it? My sepsi. It took I couldn't even sit up by myself at that time. So I'm still working on my strength. But, it takes time. It's been like around 10 years and I still haven't. But I do have some good strength. I could take my own bath now. I'm doing everything normal, inside the house. If I have to go out, I can't get in the car. So, that's why I don't go out too much. But anyway, let's cut that off. This is okay, let me go from the first. This is the product that I bought in Home Depot. Miracle Grow, as you can see, that's my favorite. I'm sorry some people don't like it, but I like it because it's moist. I don't have to worry about watering every 5 minutes, because when you use regular dirt, you have to constantly water it. And it gets tedious, So what I want to do is I want to make enough compost because I want to put some outside. I already started putting on when I went to get the baby plantain, I also added some of this. Not this one. This one. I got some of Miracle Grow. I patted it in there for in case it rained. Like I didn't know it was gonna rain today, but thank God I did. I try to pat it in there so it doesn't go all over the place. What I want to do is that I want to add some more compost in the dirt that I have over there. Because as you can put compost, the bottom will start, curing itself. When I received that dirt, it was red, and I put dirt, I put compost, I put um, anything I could find, I was putting under there, and the dirt is, most of the side is soft. I put cardboard, papers, you know, things like that, and I was able to lift it up as much because half of it was empty. It's just the red thing, and they were supposed to bring me the regular dirt, but they never showed up. So I don't know what happened, but anyway, I was grateful that they brought that part out because they gave it to me for free. So but now I want to see if I could put some more compost. That plant that I show you, the one that I planted, that it looks so, that I tell you, oh, look at the leaf is all up. I have one of those growing outside, and I didn't know I cut it. Now it's bringing side shoots, but this one is Ahisa dulce, which they call Ahisa that is sweet, sweet peppers. The one over there, I think it might be hot peppers. Why I say that? Because my cousin told me, and she lives right up, where I have shown before. She told me that she has a whole bunch of those plants. And the thing is that they're all peppers. She don't like peppers. She was going to cut it out, see whoever wanted those peppers or whatever, But her husband told her to leave one because he does like hot peppers. So she's leaving just one, and she gave some away, and the rest she just threw it out. Took it out of there, from planting. And that must have been, maybe a big wind that the how you call it, the seeds just flew away, and one of them probably ended up in there. But I'm not gonna take it out because right now I like doing Jamaican patties. Okay, if I make Jamaican patties and I've been doing it with no heat, and Jamaican patty is not Jamaican patty unless you got heat in there, So that would be my heat to put in there, So it could be hot, not too hot. I don't like it too hot. I went once to down Franklin Avenue. They have, I don't know if they're still there because I'm talking about 30 years ago. They had a restaurant there, a real Jamaican restaurant. I decided to go in, and I had to drink like 3 sodas. I couldn't take the heat. But I wanted, just to make it like I like it, not that hot. So, anyway, I always do that. I'm sorry. But anyway, I have this one this is the one I'm using for now. This one is almost done because this top part that you see, this whole top part is the last part that I put. That's the one I'm trying to put over here. So the moisture this has, it could go there. As you can see, they are plantains. These plantains, I just took it out last week. But it's not bad. For a week, it's like almost done already. So all the rest in the bottom is mostly dirt. As you can see right there, it's dirt. So anyway, I'm gonna mix this up. Like try to take all the ones that are still green in that and put it in this side. Cover it up so I could light up. Because this thing is too heavy. I can't move it around. So, but I'm not gonna fill all this up because I don't have no more plastics. And this one still has, even if I could put this in, let's say, one of those bags, and use this, it would be great. So I'm going to see what I do, because I'm planning to keep getting, I have a lot of places where I could get leaves, Right now, I cut it, I think it was yesterday some more, and look, I put it here. I just let it how you call it, right there, And I put my Epsom salt like always, and my coffee. I'm doing it not every day, I want to, but at least once a week they get a good shower of Epsom salt and coffee. So, saying this, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.